Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to customize your Twitch channel in PC. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser and then go on our Twitch channel. And after that, just click your profile icon right here and then click account settings. And then click this channel icon right here, and then you will be redirected to this page. And after that, so we will talk all about this one by one. So the first thing that you will see is add your bio and social links. So you can add your channel bio right here. If you click that, you can add your bio and social links. So you can add your Facebook, your YouTube, or even your Instagram account right there. So just click that, and then you will now be able to add your social links and then your bio. So the next thing that we will see is about my username. So you will see all the followers that you have right there. And after that, if you scroll down, you will see profile settings. You will see your username right there. So this is my username. So you can change your username every 2 months. So you will have to wait 2 months until you can change your username again. The next thing that you will see is the display name. So if you want to change your display name into something or another, so you can just choose it. And then maybe let's say, for example, we want to change our display name into Flappy Duck. So let's do that. And after that, you will see this bio right here. So in this part of bio, you can add your description of your channel. So what kind of channel or niche you are doing. So let's say, for example, you are a gamer, what kind of game are you playing, something like that. And then after that, you can click save changes right there. And after that, right here, you can add now your social links right here. So you can add your link title. Let's say, for example, you're adding your Facebook account. Just type Facebook and then just copy the link of your Facebook account and then paste it right here. So let's say, for example, that is your link on your Facebook account, and after that, just click add right there. And once you're now done with this about page right here, let's now go on in our brand section. So in this brand section, you can change your profile picture, your profile accent color, and then more. If you want to change your profile picture, then all you have to do is to click add profile picture and then just select the profile picture that you want to add and make sure that it is JPEG, PNG, or GIF, and the picture must not exceed 10 megabytes. And after you're done with that, let's go now to profile accent color. So as you can see right there, you can change your profile accent color. So let's say, for example, you want color red, or your favorite color is color red. So just click this color right here, and then you will see the preview of the accent color that you have chosen in light theme and dark theme. And after that, just click save changes right there, and then it will now be changed in your Twitch channel. So if you scroll down, you will see this profile banner. So you can choose generated background, which will create your background for you. Or if you want to add a custom profile banner, so just click custom image and then just upload the picture that you want to upload. And then make sure that it is also on JPEG, PNG, and GIF format. So the recommended is 1200 by 480 dimension. And then the max megabyte should be 10 only. And after that, for the video player banner, you can update your video player banner right here by uploading your video right here. So the video player banner is displayed on the player when you are offline. So let's say, for example, now once you are now done streaming and you went offline, this video player banner will show up on your Twitch channel. And after that, once you are now done with all of this brand section right here, let's now go on to schedule. After clicking your schedule button right here, you will see add stream right there. So if you click add stream right there, you will see the title of your stream. So you can add your title right here. Let's say, for example, our title is about example only. And then what kind of category are you going to do? Is it about FPS or like simulation or horror games like that? So just type it. And then for the time, you can add the time when will you be streaming. So let's say, for example, you want to stream by 5 p.m. So just type 5 p.m. right there, and then click this one right there, and then choose how long you're going to stream. Just click the one that you prefer right here. So I'm gonna click I'm not sure. So the time will be saved in our current time zone. So my current time zone is GMT +8, so it might be different for you. So you can see it right there. You can search it on your browser. And after that, the frequency, you can choose your frequency right here if you want to stream every Monday or every Tuesday or every Wednesday and so on. And then if you want to add another, just click add another right here. And then you will now be able to add another account right there. If you click save changes, so we'll see right there, we have now the stream schedule for our Twitch channel. And then if we scroll down here on the bottom, so we can also export our stream into calendar. So we can use Google Calendar or any calendar that you want to choose. So just click copy the link. After you're now done with this, let's go on now to the featured content. So after you're here now, so for the suggested channels, we'll have this suggested channels option right here, which automatically feature channels from your suggested channels in your channel carousel when you are offline. If you want to put that on, just click this, but if you don't want, so just leave it as it is. And then for the suggested channels priority, so you can choose between display channels in an order personalized to each viewer and display channels in the order they appear in the list. So you can choose what kind of channels priority you want right there. So I will just leave it as it is. And after that, if you click this suggested channels right there, you can search any channels that you want to put. So let's say for example, we want to add PewDiePie, and then just click add right there. And then as you can see, it is now added. But if you want to remove it, just click this remove button right here, and then it will now be gone. So going back on the recently streamed categories, so this is where all of your streamed video will show. So I don't have any streamed videos yet because I haven't had a streamed videos yet. So going on to the My Streamer shelf, so you can choose your shelf type right there if you want suggested channels, team members, or you can choose none. So let's say for example, we want to choose none. So just click save right there, and then now we are now good to go. So since we have now edited or customized our Twitch channel, if you go here on our channel right there, you will see all the changes that we have made. So as you can see right there, this is my Twitch channel right there. So if you want to edit or customize your channel again, so just click this customize channel button right here, and then you will be redirected again here so you can edit your channel. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.